Today's video has a somewhat more unusual and unused theme in our videos, namely building conversion. You will see here how an old historic house made from stone and wood has been turned into a spacious, functional and comfortable family home. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. The architect has renovated this old house, 200 years old, turning it into a family residence after minor modification and slight restoration, keeping its characteristics. Located in a picturesque village, this historic building presents many typical features and characteristics of rural lifestyle, such as thick stone walls, exposed wooden beams, and ceramic tile roof. The house is on multiple levels, and the access between the levels is facilitated by new metallic staircases. Here you can see the kitchen, a small but functional kitchen with white cabinets and green backsplash. The main room, a large open space that brings together the kitchen, dining room, and the living room. Gorgeous light color hardwood flooring throughout, fabulous look with exposed stone walls, sloping ceiling, and exposed wooden beams. This spacious home has many rooms that can be turned into an office or any other kind of room. The entry hallway. Here you can see better the ingenious stairway idea that make the link between floors. The bedrooms are spacious and have a farmhouse look with wooden ceiling, stone walls, and large ceramic tile flooring throughout. The same ceramic tile flooring in the bathrooms, modern and stylish bathrooms. In fact, the whole house is a combination of a medieval look and contemporary facilities and comfort. Here you can see the utility room where the boiler and the washing machine are. Large roof terrace where you can enjoy a sunny day. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.